Hello, this is CO4E Systems here, and this is the Featherweight Robot Test Box build, episode 2. In this video I'll actually cover the start of the build itself. So we've got the metal anglers in, and we've started to cut them to size and drill them. This is going to be a slow process because there's a lot of holes to drill in metal, and my old drill bits are a bit knackered. In fact, I think I'm even going to get some new ones. So yeah, that's all part of the plan. And I reckon I still need some HDP on the inner barriers because I don't really want the weapon to be hitting the Lexan polycarb directly. So yeah, there is that as well. So there's plenty still to go. It's going to be a long, slow project. We've also had some snow this weekend, which is pretty rare for this part of the UK, and so taking full advantage of the fact there's snow. So the next thing for the test box really is to order more nuts and bolts, order the HDPE panels, get them cut to size, and then go from there really. That's looking forward to the day that it's finished. Okay, so just to recap here, we've got the polycarbonate panels there for the majority of the test box structure, and then moving on to the metal angles. The metal angles will cover all the sides of the box, as all the faces and all the corners, and should provide the main structure of the test box. Now I'm considering adding extra metal angles on the inside for extra structural strength, as I covered in the previous video. I guess I'll wait and see how strong the test box is with just the outer angles only. We'll go from there. So the next part of the video is the starting the build itself. Here we have marking out the polycarb panel with roughly where the aluminium angles are going to go, and also finding the ideal place to drill the M8 holes. I've settled on 8 holes per metre so far, and we'll see how it goes. So you can see here I've cut the metal angles to 45 degrees angles for the corners for the base, and I can just about fit the 2 metre length side in the shed, so I won't have enough space to build the full base, so I'll have to build it in parts, not to mention the 1 metre high polycarb panels getting in the way once I actually build the vertical parts of the box. These next 2 pictures cover the actually fitting the metal angle to the polycarb panel. This will be a slow process because, like I said before, the old drill bits, they're a bit blunt, so I'm going to get some new ones. I reckon overall, with 8 holes per metre side, I'm going to end up drilling about 100 or so holes, so I need to have good drill bits for that. Now the first goal here really is to get one corner of the box done. That's 3 polycarb panels in a corner. That's just to give me a good idea of whether the rest of it will actually work, and how well the structure holds together. This picture shows the 2 metre side of the test box with the second of the 1 metre by 1 metre polycarb panels. This actually gives you a good idea of what the height of the box is going to be, because that's going to be 1 metre, and it goes all the way up to the window on the shed. On the next video I'll be building up one of the corners of the test box. So that's about all for the material on this video. So that about wraps it up for this episode. It's quite a short one, and hopefully I have some more updates next week. Bye bye.